Yes, indeed, I am.
So everything is okay now?
Yeah, everything is fine, Tamam. Everything is all right. Good.
Good.
Life is on.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, better than nothing. At least
Alhamdulillah.
we are.
Like we say in the Arabic language, Haza dunya.
هذه
And what
الدنيا.
can we do?
بالضبط هذه الدنيا. What can we do? Nothing, just to pray to Allah. So now I will show you how to make presentation for customers through CuEngine system.
All right, please. Okay,
Okay,
I am with you.
I will share my screen with you.
All right.
Then we will go step by step. So now you can see my screen.
Yes.
So here is the application. This is the shortcut of the application. You downloaded it or no?
Yes, I did. I did. But
Very
it's on my mobile phone. It's not on my laptop. But I
no,
will download it on my web.
no problem. It works on both of them.
All right. So
So
okay, let's open it. Okay.
we will open it. Okay, so your email and password here. So everything will be
Yes.
okay now.
All right.
We have two projects. We have Metro Home and we have Yaman Evler. Now we will see the Metro Home project.
Yes.
Okay. First of all, okay, continue. Then here is the project. So if you
All
present
right.
it to customers, so you have to check to show them all the directions of the project. And if you know the location, this is Yasham Wadi. We call it Valley of Life, Wadi Al Hayat.
Okay.
This is Metrobus Road. This is Metrobus Road. Here we have,
Okay.
you know,
It is like on what stop of metro bus? At what stop?
جمهورية محلسي bus station. جمهورية محلسي.
All right. Okay. Okay. Okay.
The name of the name of stop here, bus station stop, it is جمهورية محلسي. Before going inside the project, we can see the videos that we have here. We have two
All
videos.
right.
We have two videos. We can see
Okay.
also the views here. So this is the Yasham Wadi, as I told you, this one. And we have this also, this view through the Bilikduzu metro bus station.
Yes.
Another the view inside, the view from inside,
Okay.
so it will be like this.
Okay.
And then the other view, it will be like this. So these are the views. We have also a gallery here, floor plan here. We have floor plan for residence and for suites.
All right.
Okay, now we can go to, we have also gallery here, photos, different photos.
Yes, beautiful. These are the model house, model flats, or
Yeah,
is it like so?
yes, model flat, yes. Ornak Daira, sample flat.
Yeah. Yeah.
So here also, we have the location here. So it the project is here. So this is Marmara Park, and the project will be here. This is the project.
Okay.
So everything is clear here. So we can go to the 3D system. Okay, as I told you, you can show, for example, when you make presentation for customers outside the country or through online, you can show them the project from all different sides. This is the Metrobus road. This is the C here, and this is the side. All of this side is Biligduzu, and the other side is Senior. Here we have a new university coming up to be built. Here we have another university, vacant university. We have hospitals, we have malls, we have everything.
Yes.
Okay, for example, you have a customer who wants a flat 1+1. We will check.
Yes.
We will check, for example, 1+1. We will
We
take
will
it like
select 1+1. All right.
okay. Then we will make apply here.
All right. Okay.
All the available plots will be appearing here in residence, in B block, C block. Here it is in bold, so it means that we have some.
Let's check C block first.
Yes. Okay. Let's see C block. See, here these blocks, these floors, we have 1+1. It will be mentioned here in floor 1 till 2, 3, 4. We don't have 5, 6, 7, 8. For example, we choose floor number 10.
All right.
If we click like that, so we can see the available flats. The green flats are available. The white ones already sold. For example, we can see this one. If you click on it, here it comes all the information: unit ID, unit number, unit type 1+1B, area, and the price.
Okay. Come on.
Here we can see floor plan also. This is the floor plan. All the areas of rooms is mentioned here. Here we have 3D. Again. So here we have the 3D plan. This is
flat map. Okay.
Yeah, this is the entrance. This is the kitchen with the living room. This is the master room, room of parents.
Yes.
And this is, for example, the bathroom. We have balcony also here. And we want to check to see the view of this flat. So we can go here to walk. We have to walk inside the flat.
All right.
Here we can walk inside the flat. We can see starting from here. So we can see go inside the flat. We can see here the view, for example. We can go to the balcony. We can make up, down. See, we have, for example, view on the swimming pool. We can get back.
Yes.
So,
Mr. Fauzi, just show me 2+1.
Okay. For 2+1, we will go back here. Because of the internet is a little bit slow today. I don't know.
All right.
Always it's good, but today it's different.
Switch on.
Okay. Go back. Reset. Okay, here we can choose. You want 2+1, right?
Yes, 2+1.
Okay, remove this and we tick 2+1. So we'll go to and apply. All the available residents in C block and suite in B, C, and D block. So we can, for example, see D block. In D block, we have these floors.
All right.
We choose floor 7.
Okay.
Okay, we click on this one. So all the information and prices will be here. Then we go to 3D Interact.
1 million Turkish lira.
Yeah, we have different sizes and different prices also.
Yes. Yes.
So here we can see the flat in 3D. Here the entrance. This is the laundry. This is the bathroom number 1. This is the suite or the parental flat master room with the bathroom. Yes. Flat number 1 with kitchen with balcony. This is also the living room with balcony. So we can see inside it. We can go inside it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Here we can go inside. Okay, this is the view that we have.
Mm-hmm. And what about like if somebody buy this flat?
I will show you.
All right.
I will show you everything. We can get out from here and then get inside the other flat, other rooms.
What is your like calculated ROI on your flat, on your product?
What is it?
If somebody buys a flat, what is like return on investment in a rent shape?
Actually,
how many years?
Actually, we don't have this option. We are selling, and he has to, for example, make invest it by himself or rent it. The rent here,
according to the market, is like 15 to 18 years usually.
Yeah, it depends. It depends. For example, it is 5%, 7%, 8%.
So this 2 plus 1, which is like about 110 square meter.
Okay.
What is like, in this area, in metro homes, how much is the rent?
Okay, rent for 1 plus 1, 61 square meters is almost 2,500 lira. So this one should be more than 4,000 in this location. 2 plus 1, yes, because it is in Bilikduzu, 5-star. The project is 5-star. All facilities, swimming pool, parking, gyms, everything. Everything is
partial furnished. And you are like, when you are selling the flat, the basic utilities are installed or not?
Yeah, basic utility, yes, of course. For example, he has AC. He has, for example, I show you, for example, in the kitchen.
In the kitchen will be maybe the cooking range or refrigerator.
Yeah, refrigerator, no, not included. Everything else is included. Only the refrigerator.
Okay. Come on. And the air conditioning is central.
Yes.
Or is it
yes, it is included in central. Yes. Just 1 minute. Mr. Hani, can I call you 5 minutes or 10 minutes? Okay, just one. Okay, Mr. Tahir, if somebody wants to reserve this flat, he can add it to cart. You see, here you put his name, email address, contact info, and then after that, add to cart. It will lead him to another page. For example, his account number and how much he pay.
And how much do you ask for, like down payment? for reserving it?
$1,000 minimum.
And
for
is it like
reserving.
refundable or non-refundable?
Of course, refundable. If you will not.
And for how many months now you can hold it?
Actually, for this in this period for Corona, so we can hold it after Corona with 15 days more or 1 month more.
It has to be 3 months minimum. As I can see, as I can see, anyone will be able to fly after Hajj.
Yes.
You know, before Hajj, I don't see any business really.
Yeah, of course. But now we are trying to widen extend our relationship with people. Customers, trying to show them our projects like that, making relationship.
And as per your advertisement, how much percentage do I have on the price?
The percentage you have 10%.
10%. 10% is, I know Metro Homes. Really, you know, some agents are claiming like 25 or 30%.
Sorry again?
Who are they? Some agents are saying that Metro Homes are giving like up to 30% commission on the sale. Is it true?
I never heard this. Never. So 30% commission?
On cash. If cash buying. How much you are giving on a cash buying?
We are giving 10% discount for customers. And now we are giving it going to 15. And if it is very serious person and who wants to buy many units, 2, 3, 4, 5 units, so we can go to 20%.
All right. Okay.
But
so nice of you for giving me this time.
Yes. But for commission for companies, for real estate agencies is 10%, including the KDV, the taxes. That's all. This is everything.
Okay, Fauzi Bhai. Thank you very much.
Okay,
it is very helpful. It is very knowledgeable, and I appreciate your time. Let me start my video again, so we see each other.
Yes.
Thank you very much for your this opportunity, and I certainly look forward, as I said before.
Okay.
Inshallah, Allah Kareem, when everything is back to normal, I will be happy to sell your unit, inshallah.
Thank you very much, Mr. Tar. Thank you. Nice to meet you too. And anything, call me. Any question or anything, just call me.
I will indeed.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks. Yalla ma salam.
مع السلامة. السلام عليكم.
لمشاهدة المزيد من عروضنا الحصرية تابعونا على قناتنا في اليوتيوب ودمتم في رعاية الله.